Hello everyone, this is LeetCode problem number 34. Find first and last position of element in sorted array. Given an array of integers sorted in ascending order, find the starting and ending position of the given target value. If target is not found in the array, return -1. Follow up. Could you write an algorithm with log n runtime complexity? Find a certain value in a sorted array sounds like binary search. Follow-up says log n time complexity. That's a binary search as well. Let's take a look at the examples. Given 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, and target number is 8. We can see that 8 starts at position 3 and ends at position 4, so the result is 3, 4. Given the same array and the target number is 6, we can see that 6 is not inside the array, so return -1. The third example is similar to the second one. Target number is not inside the array, so return -1. This problem is unlike the normal binary search. We need to find two positions. My solution is finding them one by one. Begin with the starting position. If this position doesn't exist, means the target number is not inside the array. We can simply return -1. Then find the first position that is bigger than the target number. Decrement by 1. That is the ending position. Let's take a look at the code. This is the binary search function. Given an array and the target number, find the first position of this target. As I explained before, find the starting position first. Start equal to the length of array means the target is bigger than the maximum number in the array. Num_start doesn't equal to the target means the target is smaller than the minimum number in the array, or simply target doesn't exist in the array. Then we can return -1. Else means the target number exists in the array. We find the position of the first number that is bigger than the target. This position decrement by 1 is the ending position. Time complexity is log n and the space complexity is 1. Thanks for watching.